Welcome back to Swiss Watch Expo. This week we're taking a look at my 3 best picks for watches to wear with the tuxedo. Stick around. Welcome back to Swiss Watch Expo. This is Angel, and this week we're taking a look at my 3 favorite picks for tuxedo watches. So we have a lot of different watches here at Swiss Watch Expo, and typically you think of a dress watch as something with a strap, a little more lower profile, but I feel like now we're in an era where your watch showing is a good thing, especially if you have like a French cuff or something like that and you're going to a formal event. The watches I picked today are from 3 different categories. You will have your Audemars Piguet, the Rolex, and also a Cartier. I feel that all of these give a little touch of style, but also some great functionality for different things besides just wearing with the tuxedo. So let's get right into it. The first timepiece I'd like to take a look at is the Cartier Roadster. So this is such an elegant watch, if you ask me. I love the size of it. The tonneau shaped case really lends itself to being worn in a lot of different atmospheres. The high polished mixed with the satin is such an elegant touch. And if you wear this with a tux and you see that crown there, you're going to know exactly what watch this is. The watch is so clean with the white and black on the hands here, as well as the lume that you'll see when you're wearing it in low light situations. I love the screw motif, which Cartier is pretty much known for when you look at watches in the Santos collection and things of that nature. The Roadster is a very classic watch that you can't buy anymore in the ADs, but we have them here at Swiss Watch Expo. And another great feature is the fact that this bracelet is very easily swapped out for a strap or for different options if you want to switch up the look. So beautiful watch to wear with a tuxedo. Very classy, very elegant. Next up, we'll take a look at the Audemars Piguet, which is going to be in a beautiful size. I love how they really don't go oversized unless you're looking at something with the chronograph style in the Royal Oak. This is your limited edition Nick Faldo in 37 millimeters. Nick Faldo is one of the best golfers that ever existed, and they've had a really, really great relationship with Audemars and Nick Faldo. There are a few different models in the steel, but I love this one in the rose gold, 18 karat. This bracelet is, of course, a signature Royal Oak bracelet, but it really picks up the light nicely, even though it's of a satin finish. You'll have that octagon shaped bezel here, some high polishes as well, and then the screws around the bezel. I love the contrast of this silver waffle dial on this one, and also the red rose gold indicators on the indices. Date, very nice, very streamlined. This is perfect for someone who does want something that's going to slip under a little more seamlessly, a little more understated, but a great watch to have in any collection that will go from the boardroom to a tuxedo to even khakis and shorts in the summertime with the nice golf shirt. This is going to be a beautiful watch to have in your collection. And last, but certainly not least, is the Rolex Sky Dweller. Now, I know this is considered more of a thicker case, but I think it's so elegant, especially with this black dial. You'll have the chromalite display and the lume will be in blue, so still very elegant in low light situations when you're wearing this with a tux. I think the Jubilee bracelet really dresses it up a little, and just the functionality of this watch. I love how they've made a very seamless annual calendar. You'll be able to have dual time zones on this. Your home time around the outer bezel as normal, or around the outer edge of the dial as normal. And then you'll have the smaller off-center dial here that will be in military time with a 24-hour indicator, so you can know day and night for the local time wherever you may travel. So if you are going to an event in Switzerland and you live here in the US and you want to be able to tell time in both zones in a very elegant situation, this is the perfect watch for you. Also, I really love the way that they indicate the month of the year around the outside of the dial. You'll see that with the little red indicator next to the indices that correlate with the 12 months of the year. It's also corrected for every month for 30 and 31 days. The only time you'll ever have to do it on your own manually is when you're switching from February 28th to March 1st. So very beautiful movement on this. The 9100 or 9100 as people like to reference it is the movement here, proprietary to the Sky Dweller and created by Rolex particularly, done in steel, beautiful size at 42. So if you want something that's a little larger than typical, but not oversized at a 44, 45, this is perfect. So my third pick, probably my favorite Rolex out currently, the Sky Dweller, especially with the black dial. Three great picks for tuxedo wear and also elsewhere. So let us know what watch you would wear with a tux. We'd love to hear it down in the comments, maybe even show it to you over FaceTime. As usual, we are always here to help every day. We're here Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Welcome back to Swiss Watch Expo for your next watch, and we will see you next time.